In a groundbreaking development, a live human has received a pig kidney transplant, marking the first instance of such a procedure. Greetings and salutations to everyone. Today, we are here to talk about a groundbreaking achievement in the medical field. For the very first time, a genetically modified pig kidney has been successfully transplanted into a human recipient. This remarkable feat brings hope to individuals worldwide who are battling end-stage kidney disease. The recipient, a 62-year-old man, is recovering exceptionally well and is expected to be discharged from the hospital in the near future. The pig kidney used in this transplantation was provided by Xenotransplant, a pharmaceutical company specializing in breeding pigs with specific human genes and eliminating harmful pig genes. This significant advancement in xenotransplantation marks a major milestone and offers a glimmer of hope to millions of kidney failure patients. Without any further delay, let us dive into our discussion. In a groundbreaking medical achievement, surgeons have accomplished the transplantation of a genetically modified pig kidney into a 62-year-old man suffering from end-stage kidney disease. Richard Slayman, the recipient of this historic procedure, is currently making a swift recovery and is anticipated to be released from the hospital in the near future, just days after the surgery took place. This remarkable feat marks the first ever instance of a pig kidney being successfully transplanted into a living human, representing a major milestone in the realm of xenotransplantation, the practice of transferring animal organs to humans. In a statement, Tatsuo Kawai at Massachusetts General Hospital expressed that the achievement of this transplantation is the result of the collective work of numerous scientists and physicians spanning several decades. The ultimate goal is to provide a ray of hope to the countless individuals worldwide grappling with kidney failure by means of this innovative transplant method. It should be noted that this particular kidney transplant, strictly speaking, is not the first instance of a pig-to-human transplant. In the past, this procedure has been carried out on 5 occasions, all involving individuals who were declared brain dead and sustained on life support. The most recent occurrence of this procedure was in July 2023, conducted by Robert Montgomery and his colleagues at NYU Langone Health. Remarkably, the transplanted kidney functioned successfully for over a month without any signs of rejection or infection. On March 16th, Kawai and his team performed the surgery, which lasted approximately 4 hours. Shortly after the procedure, the transplanted kidney began producing urine and the waste product creatinine, as reported by the New York Times. Additionally, the patient, Slayman, was able to discontinue dialysis, further confirming the kidney's proper functioning. The organ used in the transplant was provided by Xenotransplant, a pharmaceutical company specializing in breeding genetically modified pigs that carry specific human genes and lack certain pig genes that could be detrimental to humans. Through genetic modifications, the chances of transplant rejection, which occur when the immune system attacks the transplanted organ, leading to its failure, are significantly reduced. To further minimize this risk, Slayman is also receiving a combination of drugs that suppress his immune system. Encouragingly, there have been no indications of rejection, and Slayman is now able to walk independently. His medical team is optimistic about discharging him from the hospital in the near future. Slayman has been dealing with type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and kidney disease. In December 2018, he received a human kidney from a donor. However, after approximately 5 years, the transplanted organ began to show signs of failure. In May of the following year, he had to start dialysis, which resulted in frequent hospital visits every 2 weeks. This significantly impacted his quality of life as he awaited a second transplant. In the United States, there is a substantial waiting list of over 100,000 individuals eagerly anticipating an organ transplant. Tragically, 17 people lose their lives every day while awaiting this life-saving procedure. Recognizing the scarcity of alternative treatment options, the US Food and Drug Administration granted authorization for the experimental transplant to Slayman. Slayman expressed in a statement that the decision to undergo a xenotransplant was not only a personal endeavor, but also a beacon of hope for the countless individuals who require a transplant to prolong their lives. Prior to Slayman, only 2 individuals had experienced a xenotransplant, both of whom were recipients of a pig heart that had been genetically modified. Tragically, the first recipient, David Bennett, passed away within 2 months, potentially due to complications arising from a pig virus known as porcine cytomegalovirus. Consequently, scientists took measures to genetically deactivate this virus, as well as similar ones, in the pig that provided the kidney for Slayman's transplant. Sadly, Lawrence Fawcett, the second recipient, passed away just 6 weeks later due to complications from transplant rejection. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.